Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by the channel. I'm John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. If you're new here, please take a look around. And if you like what you see, give me a subscribe. Today we will be smoking chicken breast, so stick around, let's get it. All right, so as I said in the intro, we will be smoking some chicken breast today. I recently picked up a rub that I want to try, that Jeff with Outdoors with Jeff and Grill and Smoke Barbecue. His name is Jeff also. They use this frequently and I've always wanted to use it. It looked really good, so that's what we'll be using today. Also, I'm excited that I just received a Meat Stick X in the mail. I will be using the meat stick on this cook. I'm kind of focusing on that just to see the performance of it. It'll be my first time using it. It is a wireless temperature gauge. It monitors up to 212 on internal temperatures, and then the ambient temperature, it goes up to 572. It is controlled by an app and it is wireless, so I'm excited to see how this thing works. We're gonna put it to use, and when I come back, we'll get the meat ready and get ready to get it on the grill. All right, so here's the chicken we're gonna use today, and I'm just gonna go ahead and score it. Okay, so the rub that I'm going to be trying out is the Heath Riles Honey Chipotle rub. Once again, shout out to Jeff ×2. I will leave a link to both of their channels in the description. You can check these guys out. They do amazing work. So we'll get this dusted. Go with a pretty heavy coat here. The front side and the back side. All right, I will put these away to let them sweat and get the grill going. But before I do that, I'm gonna show you how to set up for a cook on the Meat Stick X. All right, and we'll just insert the Meat Stick X in the thickest part of the meat here, all the way in. you have it. All right, so as you can see, we just got the chicken on. I just got the meat stick inserted into the thickest part of the meat, so I plan to monitor the temperatures inside the meat and inside the grill. With that, I will just keep a close look on it, and we will bring you back as we progress. All right, so we are an hour into the cook, and as you can see, we're getting some nice color from the smoke. The internal temperature is about 134. We're gonna take it to about 165. We'll check and see how it looks then. So next check, I'll bring you back and see where we are. All right, so we are about 2 hours into the cook, and the meat stick X is registering 152. So we're gonna do a little comparison with the ThermoPro that I have to see what it's temping. So we have it pulled off, we cut the chicken, now it's time to taste test. Let's see how we done. Man, that's very good. The rub is great, I really like it. A good smoky flavor on the chicken. My preference is I like my chicken a little more well done and juicy. So, I know a lot of people don't like that, but hey, that's my preference. So, I thank you guys for watching, and before I get out of here, I just want to say I really like the meat stick. It performed really well. Looking forward to more cooks with it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.